All right, closer to home, let's go ahead and bring in meteorologist Steve Pierce. Steve, a wet Monday, and it's going to be a wet Tuesday, Wednesday. We're in for it here.
Rinse and repeat. You get the idea, Todd. Yeah, we got a lot of rain on the way. We've got a weather alert here in the Coin 6 Weather Center today, tomorrow, and on Wednesday. That well-advertised atmospheric river taking aim at the Pacific Northwest. Here's a live look from our Chinook Winds Casino Resort camera down in Lincoln City. Rain falling, nobody out on the beach, wind picking up. 54 degrees, though. At least I could say it's warm out there. We're going to stay on the warm side of the jet stream the majority of this week. This shot here, government camp, boy, we're into December now. No snow up there, just a lot of rain falling. You can see it actually ponding and running down the middle of the road there. Current conditions here, downtown Portland on top of the Coin Tower. 57 degrees, you see the rain falling, clouds are out there, they're lowering down, visibilities are decreasing. Humidity 89%, dew points at 54, and the winds have been gusty this morning, currently blowing south-southwest 20 miles per hour. Notice on that planner for the rest of the afternoon. Boy, the rain is going to continue to pick up. We've been tracking this all morning long as that atmospheric river just takes aim at the Pacific Northwest. All of the moisture moving in, moderate, some even heavier cells now along the I-5 corridor, out along the coast as well. And that's just the beginning. Like I say, this is day one of a 3-day event. Look at how far back that fetch of moisture goes. Well off into the Pacific. That's a fire hose of moisture pointed right now at northern Washington, but it's slowly sagging down over Oregon, where it's going to set up shop over the next 24 to 48 hours before it finally gets out of here Wednesday night into Thursday. About a half an inch now in Portland. Same thing with Vancouver. This is just since midnight. Tillamook now an inch and a quarter. The Astoria gauge has actually been down for a couple of weeks, but trust me, it's also raining up there. All right, let's get to all the watches and warnings. Everything in green here on this map, all of Western Oregon and Washington now under a flood watch. This has been up from the National Weather Service for a couple of days now. This is through Thursday, right now through Thursday. Rain increasing today and tonight, as we've already seen. Rainfall rates by the time this is all said and done on Thursday morning, 3 to 4, maybe 5 inches in the valley, 6 to 7 inches along the coast and in the Coast Range and the Cascades, perhaps 8 inches or more. All right, now I want to talk about some specific smaller streams and rivers in the area as well. Now, the Grays River up in Wahkiakum County in Washington, southwest Washington near the coast. They've got a flood warning up there this afternoon through overnight tonight. The Wilson River near Tillamook, that comes into effect this evening as well. And then, of course, Johnson Creek here in southeast Portland. A lot of folks are familiar with that creek. It floods several times, usually in each winter. That goes into effect tomorrow morning. We've also got a coastal flood advisory up for this afternoon for the high tide, kind of coinciding with the tides there, 2 to 6 p.m. today. So be on alert for a rising water there. Just minor flooding expected there in Tillamook and Clatsop and Pacific County there on the southern Washington coast, just 1 foot above normal there. Also, weather alerts. We got that wind advisory in the valley, gusts 35 to 45 miles per hour. That's through Tuesday, tomorrow morning at 4 a.m. So we do have an elevated chance of some power outages. We're keeping a close eye on that with those gusts there in the valley, 35 to 40. We'll roll the wind gust forecast forward. You see here it is Monday evening, 35 to 40 along the coast. Same thing here in the valley. They back off a little bit tomorrow as the main energy from the system sinks to the south, but then it lifts back north again tomorrow evening. We're going to rinse and repeat that wind again here in the valley tomorrow night and out along the coast as well. Look at forecast rainfall totals. This is the Euro model. Boy, 3.5, 4 inches in the valley, perhaps 5 to 6 along the coast. This is the GFS American model. Same thing there, 3.5 to 4 inches in the valley, even more so along the coast. Futurecast, we roll this forward. Boy, a lot of rain pointed right at northwest Oregon and southwest Washington through your Tuesday. It sinks south a little bit on Tuesday, and then it comes back again once we get to Wednesday. 7-day forecast, we got those weather alerts up today, tomorrow, and Wednesday. Lots of rain, lots of wind. Notice those high temperatures, though, nearing records up around 60 for daytime highs. We'll back it off to scattered showers on Thursday, Todd. And look at that, one dry day.
I was going to say.
Friday, the best day of the week. One day, and then it's back to rain again on the weekend.
All right. Thanks, Steve. Appreciate it.